Today we are with my cousin. Hey, say hi, say hi.
Cousin.
Yeah, brothers. I mean cousins. Brothers, cousins. Say hi, say hi.
Hello, bro, man.
Okay, he has a YouTube channel too, and I'm playing with him. So we are at wave 57. I'm sorry I skipped them. So let's go play. I'm gonna stop yapping. Wait a second. I got a grenade launcher by the way. So yeah.
Yo, Layton. Wait. Section A, sorry, clear.
Yes. Oh my gosh. 58.
Oh, mama.
Bro, wave 58.
Until 60.
Yeah.
Wendigo.
Oh my god. If you can hold it until 60,
It's okay.
yeah, it's okay because we made it to wave 58.
Let's go, bro.
Oh, this albino thingy, I hate him. Okay. There's the fire guy. So, my cousin's YouTube channel is Ikan Predator 1234.
It's Goofy Spot.
Oh, Goofy Score. Okay. Why is he not clean, man? No! You can hold it to 59.
Yo, Layton, I didn't die a single. I didn't die.
You didn't die? Yeah, you didn't die a single, bro. Oh no, you died one time. I didn't die, bro. Because I have this grenade launcher. Okay. Speedrun this, speedrun. Oh, and section A is clear. Now only section B.
I mean, ground.
The ground, yeah. The ground is section B.
Ground B.
Yeah, ground B.
Oh, wait.
Oh, there too. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
Go to big city. Oh, mama. Be ready.
Yeah, be ready. Be ready. Are you at the section B?
I'm at ground. I'm at ground.
Oh, section B. No, they are coming to our base.
Be careful.
Barricades. Yeah, good.
I think we can handle it.
No, we can. I got my grenade launcher and you got the minigun. Now we are so good with this. We are back to be stronger than ever. We will kill those guys, those ugly head-shaped monsters.
Ugly
that are,
monsters.
yeah. Oh, the group for the section A is about to be cleared.
Okay.
Now it's gonna be
Okay,
section B.
sorry, clear. Let's
It's
go.
cleared. Let's go.
Let's go.
Only kill. Bro, I just got thing. Okay, let's go. Go off them. Oh my gosh, wave 60. Sorry guys, this is only a minute. At wave 60, we're gonna go. Okay?
We're gonna go wild,
Yeah.
bro.
No, we're gonna stop. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Only takes 4 minutes.
You got.
Okay, sorry guys. Now we're ending this.
61 then. Okay.
No, at 60 then. At 60 then.
Okay, sure.
Okay, we are cooking. And hey Leo, after this we're gonna spend off our event crystals, the Amethyst one.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, we're gonna
The
we're gonna make a part 2 of this, right?
yeah.
After this minute, we're going to go the part 2. By the way, guys, this is at 11 a.m. Wait, this is a.m. or p.m.?
11 a.m. 11 11 a.m., 11 p.m., 3.
Yeah.
For you guys who live in America, we live in Indonesia.
Yeah. You live in Indonesia. So we are in 11 p.m. at yours a.m. If p.m. in Indonesia is nighttime, at a.m. at Indonesia, it's what Leo?
What?
If Indonesia a.m. is apa?
A.M.
Yeah, AM is
PM.
no, p.m. is sunlight, and a.m. in Indonesia is nighttime.
Wait. Last one. Let's go!
Okay, guys. Now this is it. The end of the.
Yeah, don't leave. Wait here. Come here. Come down here.
Bro,
Come down.
why?
I'm gonna sacrifice myself.
Same.
Go down. Put down your weapon.
I need to. Bro, I don't wanna rest in peace, dog. It's time to die. This is the moment. Elio, are you filming too?
Yeah.
Oh.
But there's more. Mike.
It's the end. Okay, bye guys. And then we're gonna make another part 2. Okay,
Let's go!
bye.